Alright, we're going to vacuum the AC system. This is on a 2004 Acura. Anytime you replace a part or open up the freon lines, you need to vacuum it before installing freon. You need to find the low and the high side. Right there they are. I rented the vacuum pump from a local auto parts store. Here it is, all connected. Follow the instructions that come with your pump. There are different pumps and different instructions. Usually there's a low and high side. You just have to connect them to the appropriate side. And they come with little snap-on adapters. Here's the pump. The pump does take oil. Make sure it has oil before you turn it on. Here's the system all connected. The low and the high side are connected to the car, and the low and the high side are connected to the pump. Go ahead and connect them per the instructions that come with the pump. Turn the pump on before opening up the valves, the low and high side valves. You want to have the pump running. It's going to take about an hour or more to vacuum the entire system. So we're vacuuming it to get all the air out of it and condensation. Again, anytime you replace a part or open up the system, you have to vacuum it. Make sure there's no freon in the system when you are vacuuming it. So here's the low side, here's the high side. I'm going to turn the pump on first and then open up the low side and the high side. And again, I'm going to leave it like this for about 45 minutes to an hour or more. You can see that it is vacuuming because the needles are below zero in the negative. Here's an example of a different system that was used at a local shop. I had to replace two parts, so I had to open up the system twice. It had a freon leak the first time, and the second time I had to replace a part, so I had to open it up. But I had to vacuum it twice, so I just used a buddy's vacuum at his shop there, and here's the setup there. It's really easy to do. Connect it, turn the vacuum, open up the low and high side, let it vacuum out for about 45 minutes to an hour or longer, whatever is needed.